Hey friends, my name is RD Yadav, CSCP, Apex from USA, PGDM, DMM plus APSL from IIM Lucknow. Friends, I'm back today with a very powerful topic, that's goal setting. Friends, we know that how important is goal setting in our life, be it corporate professionals, be it great businessmen, be it farmers, be it students. Everyone and each one needs to set the right goal to reach at the right destination. My dear friends, we all know the famous name like Sachin Tendulkar, the great cricketer, the god of cricket. We know the Milkha Singh, the great athlete, and name like Mary Kom, Steve Jobs, a great entrepreneur, Elon Musk, what an innovator. So, my dear friends, they simply could not become the great. They set the right goal, they follow through it, they converted their goal into small objectives, small activities, and with this entire activities, they follow through it to reach their success track, they reach their destination. Friends, if you don't know where you are going, you're likely to wind up somewhere else. Like घड़ी के पेंडुलम हिलते तो हैं पर वो पहुंचते कहीं नहीं. ठीक उसी तरह से लक्ष्य विहीन मनुष्य कुछ करता तो है पर पाता कुछ नहीं. Dear friends, think of a goal as your final destination. If you don't know what your final destination is, there is no way to plan on how to get there. This means right goal only can lead you to the success, can only lead to your final destination where you want to be. And in order to enable you in being what you are. Friends, what exactly the goal is? What is goal? A goal is a desired result that a person plan and commits to achieve. Friends, goal is a roadmap that get you from one point to another. Think of a goal set by Milkha Singh given to his mentor in the plane while coming back from Australia. How he took that goal as a part of his life. He worshipped every day along with his ideal, along with his God to achieve that goal. So, friends, goals provide the direction you need to reach your destination. Goal motivates you to sustain your trip, and it also way to measure your development, your progress, that how close or how far you are from your destination. Dear friends, the best way to get result is to plan for the future and start developing your practices, your habits, your routine to achieve that goal. Friends, setting goal is only first step that enables invisible dream into visible. You start visualization of your dream. And friends, this is a very common phenomena. Our brain has been created in such a way that where you focus, it gets zoomed in. Friend, look at your hands. Look at the lines in your hands. Look at the color. Look at the various aspect of your hands. Friend, now look at your gadget on which you are viewing my video. Look it closely. Read the words. Now look at your hands. Look at lines. Friends, are you able to see your gadgets, your lines, what is written on there? Positively, no. Now look your gadget. Friends, are you able to see your hands, your lines? Positively, no. Exactly. This is the lesson, my dear. When you focus on a particular thing, your mind zoomed in, your brain zoomed in towards it. So it means that once you set the right goal and you focus on your goal, the negative activities which take you away from your goal bit get minimized, and it will enable you to focus on your goal. Dear friends, goal also focuses on your acquisition of knowledge. It helps you to organize your time and your other resources so that you can make the very best of your life, very best of the time and very best of the resources. Dear friends, let me take you through the days of Mahabharata. We cannot forget Arjuna, the great archer, the great Dhanurdhar of the world, and his goal in which he focused on the bird's eye, which had been arranged to set on the tree, which was full of leaves and fruits. Dear friends, now let me take you through the 7 easy steps to set the goal. Friends, we need to make sure that the goal you are working for is something you really want. You are really desperate to get that, not by simply what sounds good, not by simply if somebody else has gone for that goal, if somebody else has taken goal to become IAS, IITian, or the great entrepreneur. You simply, it is not necessary that the same goal applies to you. You need to identify your goal for which you are desperate for which you are able to, for which you have the capacity to develop. And also, my dear friends, the goal you are setting should not contradict to any other goal. Why other goals? You might be having separate and different goals, like your social goals, your spiritual goals, your professional goals. So your goals should not contradict with one another. And also, friends, write your goal in the positive manner, in the positive way, instead of the negative, and write your goal in the complete details, how you are going to achieve, what is your goal, how you will be able to achieve that goal, what all you are going to do, who all is going to help you, what all resources is required, what all skills is required to achieve that goal. And friend, develop the goal in a specific area of life, be very specific. And over all means your goal should be very much smart. When I say smart, I'm referring specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. That should be the feature of a goal. Friends, next step is that reviewing your goal daily is a crucial part of your success, and it must become part of a routine activity. Like breathing is part of your life, part of routine. So reviewing your goals should be part of your life. It should be part of your respiratory system. So friends, each day morning when you wake up and read your list of goals that are written in the positive, visualize the complete goal. Then each night right before you go to bed, you go to sleep. Repeat this process. This process will start both your subconscious and conscious mind on working towards the goal. This will also begin to replace any of the negative self talk you may have and replace it with the positive self talk. Friends, start visualizing your dream every day. And this is the proven track that once you visualize your dream, your minds work very fast. Your minds take you towards that your goal. And also, my dear friends, every time you make a decision during the day, ask yourself this question: does it take me closer to, or it take me further from my goal? If the answer is closer to, then you have made the right decision. And if answer is further from, means you will know what to do in that scenario. Let me summarize this 7 step of setting your goal, my dear friends. In order to achieve success, first of all, you need to identify the goal. You need to set your objectives very clear. You also need to identify and list down the barriers, the obstacles in your goal, in the way of a goal. You need to develop a plan that how and what exactly you are going to do to achieve that goal. You also need to identify the required skills, required techniques to achieve that goal. You also need to identify who all the people like mentor or the supporters you need to have who can help you in achieving this goal. Friends, the last step, but very important step, is that you start visualizing your dream. So friends, if you think that this video have influenced and inspired you somehow, I would appreciate that you set your goal right now, right here for yourself. And if you liked and you got inspired out of it, please like this video. And if you want that your other friends, the other member of society, the people who are also in need, that should get benefited out of it, please share this video and please subscribe my channel so that whenever I'm creating a new video for you, some new topic, powerful topics, you should be the very first to get that. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, my dear